Hello and welcome to another Handy's Property Services video. Today we're going to be doing the exciting task of fitting a new blind. So we're going to go from what you see here, laser level on the wall, to a wooden batten fitted to the wall. And then we are going to go to the finished blind, all installed and looking good and moving up and down and opening and closing as a blind should. So the first job is to remove the old blind, which is damaged and doesn't really work properly, which is not good when you've got a communal balcony right outside that bedroom window, which is where the clients like to, well, that's where they sleep. So old blind off, and then removing the old brackets, which obviously on this blind there's 3 of them, but on the new one there's 4 of them. Not that it really matters. Every blind is a little bit different. The holes in the wall after the brackets have been removed will be filled as well, although it's not shown on this video, but you will see that the walls are filled and made to look pretty. There you go. We mark up the position for the new blind using a laser spirit level. You can just use a normal spirit level as well if you haven't got a laser one, but it's just handy to have the laser one with the, it helps you mark up where exactly on the middle of the window it is, because you would want the blind to come down exactly in line with the center of the window, so that laser level helps doing that. So again, just measuring up from the center line to where the end of the blind will go on both sides, and marking the wall accordingly. And I'll drill the holes and everything before I paint the wall. The wall does get painted. I do paint the wall as well fully, which is on a separate video, but I won't show you on this video. This is more about the blind rather than the decorating. So then we have a wooden batten, which is already cut, and the holes are already drilled for the screws, and I'm just putting some grab adhesive on the back of it to make it a bit stronger when it actually goes on the wall. And then it gets screwed onto the wall with just standard wall plugs and standard screws and the grab adhesive. So I'm just doing a bit of a clean up as well, because I've got some grab adhesive onto the window frame, and if that sets, it's very difficult to get it off again. Also filling the gaps between the wooden batten and the wall with some further grab adhesive, just to give a solid area to paint over without any visible gaps between the surfaces, so it looks rubbish with the gaps. This particular grab adhesive you can paint straight over it once it's dry, so there's no issues with that. So you can't always paint over some grab adhesive, some of them are more silicone based, but this is a really good one, so you can literally just paint over it. And there you go, I'm painting. So painting straight over the wood with some wood primer. You have to prime wood first, you can't just go over it with normal paint, you have to prime it first. I then go over the top of that with 2 coats of the same paint I painted the wall with, which I have already painted the wall. Don't know if you can tell because you can't see the filler there anymore that was there prior. So that's all painted. After a bit of drying time for the paint to dry, then I'm ready to fit the brackets. So I start with the 2 end brackets, one at each end obviously, which I'm just doing now. Then it is loose fitting the blind, so I'm going to just put the blind into the 2 brackets. This is just so I can mark up exactly where to put the center supports, because they do have to go in a certain position on the blind, and I need to make sure the blind's nice and straight and level all the way along. So I'll just put a pencil mark on the wooden batten, just showing exactly where I need to put these supports, which you'll see me installing now. So now we're actually ready to fit the blind. We have all brackets in position, the 2 end supports and the 2 center supports. So it really is just a case of clipping them all in place. And as you can see, we have a working blind. So thank you for watching, and if you, hopefully it helps. If you're thinking of installing your own blind, or if you want us to install one for you, at least you can see how we go about it and what the process is. Anyway, yeah, another good job that we're happy with, and the client was happy. So thank you for watching, and yeah, hopefully see you on the next video.